up, guys? I am going to try a few shades of lipstick that I feel is really good for my complexion. I would really like to get you guys' opinion on what you think. They're all 3 shades, and they're all gonna be from Lime Crime. I've tried like maybe 2 different shades from them, and I really like them. So I ordered, they had a really good sale that was going on for Christmas, 50% off, because as you know, if anyone's familiar with this brand, their lipsticks are like $20 to $25 a pop, which to me is pretty expensive, but you got good stuff, you can charge the money. So I'm not mad at you. This one is called Teddy Bear. I don't know if you guys can see that, Teddy Bear. I've already outlined my lips, and I'm just gonna try it and see. Already, I like how, so it comes out as like a cream, but it's supposed to go on as a matte color. I've been really feeling that, as you guys can see my nails. I've been feeling the matte lately, so here we go. Love the way it glides on. And again, I've tried this brand before, just never on my own. So I'm just taking it across my lips, outline the lips where my outliner is with the color. This is like a really good pinkish nude. I like it. It's really hard for me to find a pinkish nude. They're always too dark, too brown, and I'm like, I can have pink lips too and look cute. So this is one of them. Lime Crime Teddy Bear. Hi, baby. It's my daughter. All right, what do you guys think? I'm gonna try the next one. All right, I am back with my next color. This one is called Jam, and again, it's from Lime Crime. I'm not really sure, I can't even remember if this one was a matte or if it was liquid. Yeah, it's baby girl. But let's just try it on and see.
I've already taken the liberty to outline my lips, as you can see, so here we go. I have to hurry up and do this. I think she has a primary marker in here. I think so. So it does all really smooth. This does have a little gloss to it, so definitely not matte. Has a little bit of a red tint to it.
This is called Jam. That's my jam. And I'm feeling it. Again, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Is that how they do it? Oh, never mind. I think it might be matte. I think this might be matte as well. Okay. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Can't wait to hear. All right, we have one more to try. The next one is, you know what? I think I'm just gonna go get it. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with my third color. Again, this one is from Lime Crime. My third color is Sparkling Cherry. Ooh. I have outlined my lips with a nude lip liner. So I probably look really sick right now, but that's okay. I thought that it might look good with this. It's a little bit of a like shimmery color. Maybe the light, you can't see it that well. Wet cherry gloss. It's a gloss, so I will have more of a glossy feel instead of the matte color. Yeah, keep in mind I have no idea what I'm doing, so this is all trial and error. Please understand that. And here we go. Ooh. Ah. Ah. Ooh. Ah. My daughter's over here doing the exact same thing I'm doing. You know what? I may be onto something here. That nude liner with this is popping. My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is popping. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think, because I'm thinking it's not too bad. Not too bad. And it smells really good. It smells really good. Sparkling cherry. Get you some. No, for real. Okay, so I've tried on 3 colors, all from Lime Crime. Sorry, it's like a tongue twister for me for some reason. All from Lime Crime. 2 were matte. This was a gloss. All really fun colors. But let me know what you guys think. Which one, or one or the other, or all 3. Who knows? Like I said, I've tried them before in the past, but never had any of my own. So I decided to buy some because they were having a really cool sale. And so far, so good for me. But I want to hear your thoughts. I promise you I'll get you in the camera sooner than later. She's really young. I know, honey bunny. Okay, guys, let me know your thoughts. Love you. Bye.